How do you feel today? Happy? Okay. Today, in our English class, we will discuss a simple grammar topic. If you listen it very carefully, it will be very easy. Okay? Children, listen here. My mother cooks food. My mother cooks food. And next sentence, second sentence. This is the first one. And this is second sentence. She cooked biryani yesterday. My mother cooks food. She cooked biryani yesterday. What are the difference between these two sentences? First sentence, in the first sentence, here it is cooks and here it is cooked. Do you remember last 2 days in our class I asked you to underline the sentence that end with ed or past tense. Okay, and these two sentences are, first one is in simple present tense and second sentence is in the simple past tense. First sentence is in the simple present tense that you have already learned in the second standard. When we use this one and when we use yes with verb, because here subject is singular, then we should use yes with verb in the simple present tense. And here cooked. This sentence is in the simple past tense. Now let us check what is simple present tense and what is simple past tense. The answer is in this sentence only. Present. It's happening now. Something that is happening now. Present. And what is simple past tense? To talk about an action that is over. Past. It's finished. Over. Any action that is over. That is finished. That time we can say that sentence is in the simple past tense. And simple present tense, something that is happening now. For example, he runs very fast. When we talk about he, that action is happening that time. It's not finished. He runs very fast. I teach you. Mother cooks. Father drives the car. Rayan jumps on the bed. The monkey climbs on the tree. Like that. Then things that are always true. Truth. That time also we use simple present tense. For example, the sun rises in the east. That is a truth. Always it is true. The sun rises in the east. The stars twinkle in the sky. The moon changes its shape every day. The sun sets in the west. Okay, next one. Something happens again and again. Something happens again and again. For example, I go to school every day. I watch the video every day. I drink a cup of milk every day. Again and again it happens. Okay? Then we can say simple present tense. The simple past tense, we already learned to talk about an action that is over. See, he runs very fast. Here in the simple past tense, we can use Razin ran very fast. So this verb will change in the past tense. Ran. ran very fast. I wrote a letter. Write, wrote. My mother cooked. My father drove the car. Children, now let's learn more about simple past tense. How we will form a verb in simple past tense. Normally, we add D or ED to a verb. We call it regular verbs. Regular past tense verbs. Add D or ED to a verb to form regular past tense verbs. Add D or ED to a verb to form regular past tense verbs. Okay. For example, look. What is the past tense of look? Looked. Just we add ED to the verb. Next, jump. Jumped. Okay. Play. Played. Added ED. Climb. Climbed. ED. Cook. Cooked. Open. Opened. Close. Only we added D. Closed. Walk. Walked. We can find lots of regular verbs. These types of verbs we call regular past tense verbs. When we add D or ED to a verb, those verbs are regular past tense verbs. D or ED. Regular past tense verbs. Now next one. Many verbs change their forms when they are used in the past tense. We discussed about regular verbs. What are regular verbs? When we add D or ED to get past tense to a verb, we call those verbs what? Regular verbs. And here many verbs change their forms. Totally they change. Spellings are changed. Their forms when they are used in the past tense. When we use any verb in the past tense, spelling will totally change. Okay? They are called irregular verbs. Regular verbs and irregular verbs. Two types verbs are used in past tense. Regular verbs and irregular verbs. Regular verbs means when we add D or ED to a verb. And irregular verbs means verbs change their forms when we used in the past tense. They are called irregular verbs. For examples, run. What is the past tense? Ran. Spelling is changed. R-U-N, run. R-A-N, ran. Go. Past tense is went. Go, went. Totally changed. Buy. Bought. Drink. Drank. Rise. Rose. Teach. Taught. Learn. Learned. Write. Wrote. Swim. Swam. See, in the past tense, spellings are changed. This type of verbs we called irregular verbs. So don't forget, in the past tense, verbs are in two types: regular verbs and irregular verbs. Regular verbs means when we add D or ED to a verb in the past tense, we called regular verbs. Many verbs change their forms when they used in the past tense. They are called irregular verbs. Regular verbs, irregular verbs. So you should remember all the past tense and present tense of the verb. Okay, children? Now some verbs are there. They are not changing in the past tense. It's not there in your textbook. You don't want to bother about that. In 3rd standard, you will study in higher level. Okay? But just I explained that some words, some verbs will not change. See, put. See, is present tense. And what is the past tense? Put only. Put, put. Cut, cut. Shut, shut. Hit, hit. Quit, quit. Hurt, hurt. More verbs are there. Okay? They never change their spelling in the past tense. Okay? Children, take your textbook and open page number 68. Grammar part. Read this sentence. Now, we already explained it very well. So, no need to explain this all. Okay? You just read it. Read these sentences. She cannot eat or drink properly and so she is weak. It was Padmini with bandages around her trunk. She came up to Amma. Here the first sentence, eat, drink, is. These all verbs are in the simple present tense. And here was, came. These are in the simple past tense. Okay. A. Read these sentences. Say if the words in color are in the simple present tense or in the simple past tense. One has been done for you. Like this, we have to complete this all. Ready? I wrote a letter to my friend last week. I wrote, this colored word, wrote, this verb is in the past tense or present tense. That we have to find out. It is in the past, right? Past tense is wrote. And that work is over last week. It is finished. Next one, number 2, listen. We dressed up for the party in a hurry. We dressed up. It is in simple present tense or past tense. This is in the past tense. See, dressed. Dressed up. Now third one. Kirti has a green pen. Has. Has is, it is present tense. Present. Next, Emma and Ekta. Emma and Ekta play in the park every evening. It's happening again and again. So, this sentence is in the present tense. Present tense. Next, who ate the sweets from the box? Who ate? Ate is past tense. Ate. What is the present tense of ate? Eat. Eat. Ate. So, here we write past. Okay. Now, next one. Complete these sentences with the correct form of the verbs in the brackets. Number 1. I dash, in the bracket, present tense, go. That verb is in the present, go. To the market yesterday with my sister. So, we want to write the correct form of the verb here. To the market yesterday with my sister. So, we can understand this work is over. This action is over. So, what we want to write here? went. Past tense of go is went. I went to the market yesterday with my sister. Next one. Emma dash every time she sees a lizard. Emma scream every time she sees a lizard. What we want to write here? Every time is happening again and again. So do we want to write the past tense of scream? No, present tense only. And here the verb is singular. So we should add s with verb. Screams. Okay. Screams. Emma screams every time she sees a lizard. Okay. Next one, number 3. Bakul dash to eat bananas every day. Bakul dash to eat bananas every day. This work also happening every day. So, what we want to write? Bakul means only one person. With verb, we should add yes in the present tense. The sentence is in the present tense. So, we should add yes with the verb. If subject is singular. Deepa felt ill yesterday. I dash her to see a doctor. Deepa felt ill yesterday. It was yesterday. I dash her to see a doctor. So, the sentence is in the past tense. So, write told. Tell, told. See, go, went. This is irregular verb. Okay. Next one. Summers dash be always very hot in Delhi. Always. So, this one is in the present tense. So, the present form of be is are. Okay. Summers are always very hot in Delhi. Now, children, here is a very small grammar part. It's very easy. Read these sentences. A boy tells us this story. Amma rang the large bell. The verbs in 1, A and B are main verbs. Okay. Second, Padmini is feeling better now. Padmini was caught in the trap. And here the verbs in verbs in 2A and B consist of a main verb and a helping verb. And in the first sentence, tells. In the first sentence, A, tells is the main verb. And here rang is the main verbs. But here two verbs are there. Is, feeling. Two words are there. And here also two words. Was, caught. The verbs in 2. Here is the helping verb. And feeling is main verb. Main verb and helping verb. Here was is helping verb and caught is main verb. When you see two verbs in a sentence, you can say first one, that is helping verb, and this one next verb is the main verb. Okay, am, is, are, was, were are helping verbs. Okay, children. Underline the main verbs and circle the helping verbs in the sentences. One has been done for you. I am writing a letter. Circle the helping verb. Am is the helping verb and underline the main verb. Writing is the main verb. Now here Nitin jumped over a wall. Nitin jumped over a wall. Here helping verb is there? No, only main verb. So underline main verb. And third one, look, the bird is building a nest. Here is helping verb, building main verb. Okay. Jason is painting the gate. We were playing in the park yesterday. That you do yourself. Okay. Complete the second sentence in each pair with the correct helping verb. Yeah. This one also homework for you. You do yourself because you know very well about the helping verbs. Is, am, are, were, like this. Okay. Bella has school today. She is packing her bag. One more, I will help you. I cannot go out today. So with I. Today it is. Not past tense, present tense. With I we use helping verb am. Okay. Now you complete this one. And one more work you have on page number 71. Read this diary entry. Diary writing. 15th March 2017. I gave some sugarcane and water to Padmini today, but she did not touch them. She was too frightened. Padmini is still in a lot of pain. She does not eat or drink properly. I feel very sad for her. I want to help her. This is Amma's diary. Now, imagine you are Amma. This diary is written on 15th March 2017. Next day, what will be 16th March 2017. Now, you imagine you are Amma. Today is 16th March 2017. Manoj has now seen Padmini. Write the diary entry in your notebook. Write about what happened and how you felt. 16th March. Hints are here. You just fill up this one. Don't copy only these words. Okay. Just fill up these parts and write in your notebook. Manoj saw Padmini today. After he saw her, Manoj, what happened? Gun. Dash. Gun. I felt very dash. I thought he was going to dash tears. Then Manoj told me dash. I felt a little silly about that. Manoj then gently dash. He looked dash. You fill up and complete this diary in your notebook. Okay, children? Thank you.